When you can't be with the one you love, PetCube Bites can. Just fill up with your best friend's favorite treats, so when you leave, playtime begins. With built-in two-way speaker and microphone, you can talk to and hear your pet. Or practice that fancy new trick you've been working on. And when they ace it, fling a treat. Now that's a good boy. And when they're not so good, PetCube is there too. Sound and motion alerts let you know there's trouble. So with more PetCube cameras, you can follow your pet from room to room. Turn silly moments into shared moments and instantly share your best clips to friends and family. Because some things are too cute to keep to ourselves. They're there for us, waiting. Be there for them too. With scheduled treat times, they'll know that the one they love is just around the corner. And you'll know they're taken care of. Until you can be with your pet again, we'll be here, helping make homecomings even sweeter, and sharing love from afar. PetCube, designed for happy reunions. Designed for pet parents.